What's up guys, Jay the Rat Specialist here, and we're back at the shop and we're doing something crazy today. We're using a brand new film. It's a brand new PPF with the properties of wrap. The cool thing about this is that you can install it dry, so you don't have to use any liquids to install it. And it's super crazy because you can choose different colors. So here we have a brand new color that no one has right now. So we're gonna be probably the first people to install this. I've never used this film, so I'm not exactly sure what to expect. We're gonna use it live on this video. The really cool thing about this too is that they have a lot of different colors, and it's nice that it doesn't just come in clear. So you could choose different colors and still protect your paint from rock chips, scratches, and stuff like that. It has the self-healing capabilities that regular PPF has, so that's gonna be really nice. I kind of feel like the future is gonna go into this PPF stuff, which is better because now you can protect your paint and still change the color instead of just having to go with that clear and satin finished PPF. So we're gonna go ahead and start testing out this film. I've never used it, like I said. It is super crazy, super glossy, so it's way more glossier than normal wrap. That's the cool thing about it. So there's way less orange peel on there, which is super cool. Nowadays, I feel like everybody wants to go with the films that have the least amount of orange peel because it looks way better. You want to get that paint finished but still get a wrap and be able to change the color of your car to take it off without damaging your paint. All right, so I got it laid on the fender. First thing I noticed is that the material feels pretty thick. It has a backing paper, I guess a backing plastic, and it does have that layer also on the top that you can peel off, and you're supposed to peel it off before you start wrapping. First thing I'm gonna do is trim off what I don't need, so I'm gonna start trimming off the top and some of the bottom before I start laying it. Okay, so I managed to put the whole thing down, actually most of it down. I haven't done this section or even the edges, but based on that, I do notice that it is super high tack. This is not gonna be easy for a one-person install. It definitely won't be easy for someone that's new to the wrapping industry or PPF, but it does look crazy. This gloss on here is super nice. When I'm using my squeegee on this film, it literally just glides. So it does feel nice. I like the way it looks. That gloss finish on there looks crazy. Like, I feel like I can't even describe it, but it is gonna be difficult and it's gonna take a little bit longer, but I think that extra time they put in there is gonna be worth it for the way it's gonna come out. I finished up the fender. It took me maybe about an hour and a half to get it down. So it wasn't too bad. The cool thing about it is that the edges are super nice. So most of the time when I work with a thicker material, the edges are tough. When I start doing edges and corners, most of the time they don't want to stay. But this one, they all stayed super smooth. Every single corner on there is nice. I also like how glossy it looks. The gloss on here is crazy. If you touch the film, super smooth. So it feels just like paint. You don't see any orange peel, which is one of the craziest things. I do like that this PPF is installed dry, so that's a really good thing. Way better than pretty much anything else out there. I've seen a bunch of other colored PPFs before, but none of them are dry install. So this is pretty much the future of wraps. And one of the nicest things is that they offer a lot of color options. So they do have color shifts and a bunch of other type of colors. And if you're looking for something new, you should definitely check them out. Flexishield, so big shout out to them for sponsoring this video, providing us with the film so we can test it out and use it on our vehicle. Check them out on Instagram at Flexishield, and stay tuned for another video. We're going to show how we finish this vehicle, wrapping the entire thing in it, and we'll also post on TikTok and Instagram. So check us out, Jay the Wrap Specialist. Stay tuned.